There is an energy in the air. We're on the precipice of something desperately exciting.
I made a vow to end the rot in our party.
President James Garfield!
All I want is to be a part of it.
My name is Charles Guiteau.
What line of work are you in?
Politics.
Jim, you're their leader. Your job is to inspire hope.
Perhaps I can't change anything.
You will not run from the battle. Now go show those bastards who we are.
All I want to do is help.
Who is this man? What is he doing here?
You are a seeker, an opportunist,
Mr. President!
and a pest.
Eat shit! I'm a taxpayer!
Mr. President, I'm begging you, tell me how I can be great.
Men like us, we have to claw our way up.
I can make an impact! There is a greater destiny out there for me.
This will show him. And the rest.
My name will be known one day.
Years from now, we will be judged by what we do in this moment.
Who the fuck is Charles Guiteau?